Should cats be bathed or not? There has been discussion about whether cats should be bathed for as long as people have had cats as pets. Some cat owners swear that giving their cats a bath every once in a while keeps them clean and reduces germs, but others are strongly against it, saying that it could be stressful for the cat and hurt the bond between people and animals. We will look at the reasons behind both sides of the argument and give you evidence-based answers to the question, should I bathe my cat? Health and health. One of the main reasons people say cats should be bathed is for health. No doubt about it, cats can get dirty just like any other animal. When cats are outside, they might come into touch with different pollutants. When cats are inside, they might collect dust, dander, and other particles in their fur. These substances can be washed away during bathing, which may lower the risk of skin problems and allergies in both cats and people who live with them. Regular cleaning, like bathing, can also help keep the fur from getting matted and cut down on hairballs, which can be a problem, especially for long-haired breeds. Opponents, on the other hand, say that cats naturally clean themselves very well. They keep themselves clean well because their mouths are rough and they move quickly. They say that bathing cats changes the natural oils in their fur and skin, which can cause dryness, itching, and even skin problems. Also, bathing is a scary and stressful experience for many cats, which can lead to long-term behavior problems and hurt the bond of trust between the cat and its owner. Allergies and odor control. Another thing cat owners need to think about is how to deal with the allergies and smells that come with having a cat. Many people say that bathing and regular cleaning are good ways to cut down on the amount of dander, saliva, and other allergenic substances in a cat's fur. With this, you can keep your home clean and free of smells, which can be especially helpful for people with asthma or allergies. Opponents, on the other hand, say that bathing may quickly get rid of allergens and smells, but it's not a long-term fix. Cats make dander and saliva all the time, and washing doesn't help for long. Overbathing can also remove the natural oils that protect the cat's skin and keep its body temperature stable. This can make skin problems worse and make the cat more likely to develop an unpleasant smell. Other options besides bathing. If cat owners are worried about cleanliness, allergens, and smells but don't want to bathe their cats, there are other options that can work just as well. Using special pet wipes or shampoos that don't need water, brushing and grooming the cat regularly, and giving the cat a healthy food can all help keep its coat clean and healthy without having to bathe it. Keeping the surroundings clean and germ-free by regularly cleaning litter boxes and bedding can also help stop the spread of allergens and smells in the house. In the end, the choice to bathe a cat relies on many things, such as the cat's personality, lifestyle, and health, as well as the cat owner's preferences and priorities. Washing cats can help them stay clean and get rid of allergens and bad smells, but it also comes with some risks. If your cat has sensitive skin or finds washing stressful, you might want to try something else. In the end, the cat's health and happiness should come first, and any choice about bathing should be made after giving it a lot of thought and, if necessary, talking to a vet. How often should I wash my cat? Several things affect how often you should wash your cat: its breed, its habits, its health, and its own specific needs. Most cats don't need to be bathed very often because they are very good at grooming themselves. But there are some situations in which bathing or cleaning may need to happen more often. One breed. Some cat types, especially those with long or thick coats, may need to be groomed more often to keep the fur from getting matted and tangled. Regular brushing is a good way to keep the coats of breeds like Persians, Maine Coons, and Ragdolls in good shape. 2. Health problems. Cats with certain skin conditions, allergies, or health problems may need to be bathed as part of their care plan. If this happens, your vet will tell you how often and how to bathe your pet to take care of the health problems. Outdoor versus indoor cats. Because they are outside, cats may get dirty faster than indoor cats because they are exposed to things like mud, dirt, and parasites. You might need to bathe your cat more often to keep them clean if they spend a lot of time outside. All allergies and odors. If you or someone in your home is allergic to cats, or if your cat has a strong smell, you may want to bathe them more often to get rid of allergens and smells. To keep things in balance, though, it's important not to bathe too much, as that can dry out the skin and make it itch. 5. Behavior problems. Some cats may have trouble cleaning themselves properly because they have behavior problems or problems moving around like arthritis. In this case, Giving the cat regular grooming sessions, which could include baths, can help keep it clean and comfy. Most cats don't need to be bathed more than once every few months, if ever. Too much cleaning can hurt cats' skin and make them anxious and stressed. It's important to keep an eye on your cat's cleaning habits and health in general. If you have any questions about how often or how to bathe your cat, you should talk to your vet. Your vet can give you specific advice based on your cat's needs and the situation you're in. What other kind of care should I do for my cat besides washing it? You can help your cat stay healthy, relaxed, and looking their best by grooming them in more ways than just bathing them. Here is a complete guide on how to groom a cat. Brushing. Brushing your cat's fur regularly gets rid of loose fur, dirt, and other debris, which keeps the coat from getting mats and knots. How often you brush your cat will depend on what kind of cat it is and how long its coat is. Cats with long hair may need to be brushed every day, while cats with short hair may only need to be brushed a few times a week. Use a brush or comb made just for cats that is made for their fur type. Nail trimming. It's important to keep your cat's nails clipped for their comfort and to stop them from growing too long, which can cause ingrown nails and pain. Every 2 to 4 weeks, use cat nail clippers to cut off the tips of your cat's nails. But be careful not to cut into the quick, because that can hurt and kill you. Clean your cat's ears. Look inside their ears often for signs of dirt, wax buildup, or infections. Wipe the outside of the ear gently with a damp cotton ball or an ear cleaning product that has been approved by a vet. Do not put anything in your ear canal. Doing so could hurt you. If you see any redness, swelling, or discharge, you should call your doctor. Eye care. Cats, especially brachycephalic types, cats with flat faces, may get discharge or crust around their eyes from time to time. Clean your cat's eyes gently with a soft, damp cloth to get rid of any discharge. Talk to your vet if your cat's eyes look red, swollen, or itchy, or if there is a lot of discharge. Dental care. Taking care of your cat's teeth is an important part of keeping them healthy in general. To keep plaque and gum disease from forming, brush your cat's teeth regularly with a toothbrush and toothpaste made just for cats. You can also give oral toys or treats that are made to keep teeth healthy. Fur trimming. Some cats may benefit from having their fur trimmed every once in a while, especially around their hindquarters, belly, and paw pads, in addition to being brushed. By trimming these areas, you can help keep them from matting and lower the chance of feces or pee building up there. Checking the skin. While you're cleaning your cat, look at their skin for any signs of irritation, lumps, bumps, or parasites like fleas or ticks. If you see something that doesn't seem right, you should talk to your vet about it. By adding these cleaning techniques to your cat's routine, you can improve their health, avoid problems related to grooming, and make the bond between you and your cat stronger. When you groom your cat, remember to be patient and gentle, and always put their happiness and well-being first. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.